put together a program of content for 30 superb young people who are going to be tomorrow's leaders in various walks of life. And really what this program's doing, I think, is filling gaps in our education system, teaching young people or engaging them in content that just does not happen in schools or universities, but actually teaches us how to get the best out of life, how to get the best out of ourselves and make the most change. And of course, the change that we need now most urgently is around the environment and around climate. And if we don't tackle that, as David Attenborough has said, society itself is under threat. So this programme isn't just a nice to have, it's an essential for tomorrow's Northern Ireland.